Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this issue content not found. The PS5 error code is WS-116129-0. Even right, if you are searching this PS5 error code on PlayStation support website, you will not be able to find the answer. But you can see the discussions in online forums. But here I'm going to share what I found. So if you're getting this error right, for example, this is a Street Fighter 6 demo game. I'm trying to purchase this full version, tapping this triangle button, view the full version product page on PlayStation Store. So if I say yes, it should reach PlayStation Store to buy. Okay, but I'm getting this error 116129. The root cause of the error is the different region. Example, if you are downloading demo from Singapore, okay, and if you are trying to access that demo with another user, that user location or region is from US, UK, India, you will not be able to access. I'm going to show the example. This user VKVK is from Singapore. I mean, I have created the account with the Singapore region, and this particular user console sharing is enabled. Console sharing enabled means if I enable right, anyone can play. I mean, any user can play in the PS5 console or PS4 console. This Singapore user downloaded that Street Fighter 6 demo. But if I am trying to access with this another user, which is in different region, example, this user from India, so that's why I'm getting the error. Okay, example, I'm giving okay. You need to verify your library whether you own the demo or not. So I'm going to show the example, going to home screen, go to library, game library, and here go to your collections. Example, Street Fighter 6 is there in my library, but still I'm getting error. Why means I'm going to open that same version, but two games. One is install, another one is download. If it is showing download options, you did not own that game. But there is another game saying install, which means my console and user is in console sharing mode. Example, I'm going back. Okay. And I want to switch the user. Okay. Actually, this guy have the demo. When I enable the console sharing, right? That's what it's showing installed in this user ID. So now I'm going to tap this actual user. This user is from Singapore. Okay. Now I'm going to try demo Street Fighter. So this particular user is already downloaded the demo on the console, whether it's a PS5 or PS4. So now I'm going to tap this full version triangle button, view the full version. Yes, it should reaching the PlayStation Store. See, now I'm able to buy the actual game. Okay, this is a bundle. You can just simply tap it, and if you want, you can add it, and then you can confirm purchase. Okay, I'm going to close this. I'm going to show this on settings. So here, go to user and accounts. We need to go to other, console sharing and offline play. So I need to tap that. So already it is enabled. So I'm going to disable it for tutorial purpose. Okay, I'm going to say yes. Super cool. Console sharing is disabled. So now going back to the user, I need to relog in actually. Yeah, relogin is done. And I'm going to switch back, switching the user and coming back. So now I'm going to verify on game library. Now I need to move your collections. So Street Fighter 6 is there. And the installed one, right? I will not be able to open because it is locked. Because we have disabled that console sharing with the another user. So we will not be able to play. And if you want to play this, right, you need to download the demo. So I'm going to download this demo again. So if you see this view product, right, that is not a problem, or directly you can download it from PlayStation Store. I'm going to choose the select versions. So demo is there. I'm going to download it. So download. Superb. The game is downloaded. Now I'm going to open. So one is locked. The downloaded one, which is new. You can see this. Okay. So now I'm going to tap this play game. So now I'm going to tap this triangle button. And I'm going to say yes for PlayStation Store. This time I should not be getting any error. See, the same user, before I was trying, I was getting the error, but this time the issue is fixed. So now you can buy the game directly from PlayStation Store. You can add it and you can pay. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can fix the issue if you're getting on your PS3 or PS4 console. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedback in my comments. Thank you. Bye and take care.